What's really going on in the world of social media? We've all heard about a recent platform that is just like Twitter called Threads, but do we really understand their similarities and differences? Well, stay tuned because we're about to dive deep into this fascinating discussion. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss. Threads versus Twitter. But before we get started, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Okay, let's get into it. What is Threads? Threads is a new app from Meta that is similar to Twitter. Its main purpose is to share short bits of text on a free platform for conversations. The Zuckerberg-backed app stands on its own, but it is linked to Instagram and can only be used by people who have an Instagram account. The idea behind Threads is to make a friendly public space where people can talk, Zuckerberg said in a verified Threads post after the site went live. We want to take what Instagram does best and make a new experience based on text, ideas, and talking about what's on your mind, the company said. Users of Threads can write up to 500 characters and share pictures and videos that are up to 5 minutes long. There are plans to make the app available in more places, but it is not yet available in the European Union. Zuckerberg has already gained more than 1 million Threads fans in less than 24 hours since the app's release. He has been interacting with users on the platform by answering their questions and giving them updates on how he plans to use the app in the future. One conflicted user asked how the media mogul is going to decide what to share on Threads versus his Instagram broadcast feed. Good question, answered Zuckerberg. Right now, I'm planning to use my Instagram broadcast channel for daily product updates and Threads for discussion and sharing thoughts, but we'll see where these platforms go, he said in response. Another Threads user wrote, Zuck can't wait to drop ads on all of his new Threads users. In the meantime, the wealthy CEO explained what he wanted to do. Our approach will be the same as with all of our other products. First, we'll make sure it works well. Then we'll see if we can get it to 1 billion people. And only then will we think about making money from it, Zuckerberg wrote. Threads versus Twitter. On July 5th, Meta, the company that owns Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp, released Threads, a new app for having conversations that is almost exactly like Twitter. Threads was released in July 2023 after months of rumors and secret. It was backed by Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of Meta. The first rumors about Threads started in January 2023. Techies have called the standalone platform the Twitter killer, and many think it will fully replace the Elon Musk-owned app. We think there's a need for a separate space where creators and public figures can talk about their interests in a timely way, a spokesperson for Meta said in a statement when the then-unnamed platform was still being coded. The start of Threads not only makes social media more competitive, but it also keeps Zuckerberg and Musk's rivalry going. The two tech moguls have been fighting for almost 7 years over things like artificial intelligence and rockets. Recently, they have threatened to take their millionaire fight to the cage. Since Musk bought Twitter for $44 billion in October 2022, the app has gone through some changes that users don't like, which has made them feel uneasy. In addition to tinkering with Twitter's algorithm, he has also changed its verification system and put a cap on how many tweets you can read at once. All of these changes are part of his plan to make Twitter an app for everyone. Now, Threads, which has 10 million users in just a few hours after launching, is a real threat to Twitter, which took 780 days from the time it went public in July 2006 to reach the same big number. Will Threads replace Twitter completely? Threads is being called the Twitter killer by many, but it's still not clear if Zuckerberg's latest app will completely replace the Musk-owned platform. But Zuckerberg is known for being competitive, and he has used features from other apps in the past. For example, Meta made its own version of TikTok with Reels, an Instagram feature that came out in 2020 and lets users make and watch short videos in a separate feed on the app. Since then, Reels has become very popular. Zuckerberg also wants to connect Threads to the Fediverse, which he describes as a social network of different servers run by third parties that are linked and can talk to each other. Meta wants to use a protocol called ActivityPub so that users on different sites that support the same plan can talk to each other. Instagram wants to make it easier for Threads to work with other platforms. This could be appealing to artists and influencers who don't want to start over on each app. Elon Musk versus Mark Zuckerberg. Is a cage fight really happening? It started with a casual comment from Elon Musk, who said he would fight Mark Zuckerberg in a cage match. Now, the Italian Ministry of Culture and the head of the UFC are both involved. The gloves are about to come off. Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg don't seem willing to back out of a supposed cage fight. There have been rumors for weeks that the owner of Twitter and the boss of Meta are going to fight. But where did the idea come from? Is the fight going to happen? And if it does, who might win? Be careful what you say on Twitter because it might just happen. Musk made a comment out of the blue that started the plans for a fight between the tech billionaires. During a conversation about plans for Threads, a Twitter app that competes with Meta, Musk wrote, "I'm sure Earth can't wait to be exclusively under Zuck's thumb," and then added, "I'm up for a cage match if he is, lol." Zuckerberg fell for it. He put "send me location" and a screenshot of Musk's message on Instagram. Musk just said Vegas Octagon, which is the arena for the Ultimate Fighting Championship UFC in Las Vegas. Is the fight actually going to happen? President of the UFC, Dana White, seems to think the fight will happen. He said he asked both of them if they were willing to fight. He said both of them are dead serious about this. A story from the media says that Mr. White has been in touch with the two, and a plan is being put together. He told media outlets that it would be an exhibition match that wasn't part of the UFC and would be for charity in some way. He said, "It will be the biggest fight in the history of fighting." What fighting experience do they have? When it comes to experience, Zuckerberg has more than Musk. The founder of Facebook has taken up jiu-jitsu and won gold and silver medals in his first competition. Musk has said before that he doesn't work out much, except when I pick up my kids and throw them in the air. Musk wrote, "I have this great move I call the walrus. I just lie on top of my opponent and do nothing. So who's likely to win?" Zuckerberg seems like the most likely person to win. In addition to training in jiu-jitsu, he has done fitness challenges like the Murph, which includes doing a lot of squats, push-ups, and pull-ups while wearing a heavy vest. He is also 13 years younger than Musk, who is 52 since he is only 39. Musk wins when it comes to size. He is about 6 feet 1 inch tall, while Zuckerberg is 5 feet 7 inches tall. He weighs 13 stone, 5 pounds, while Zuckerberg weighs 11 stone. Musk has said that he studied judo, kyokushin, a type of karate, and no-rules street fighting. But he has also said that this is very old. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking discussions and informative content. Remember, stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!